saying it on air. So let's
give credit. No, they must give credit to Lahore Qalandars. And this is the main culprit, this guy sitting right in the middle.
Haris Rauf.
No, Shaheen Shah Afridi too.
Shaheen Shah Afridi too, yeah.
This was the guy that was brought by Aqib Javed and Lahore Qalandar and PDB program, Players Development Program.
Shaheen had played for Pakistan.
I'm talking about Haris Rauf.
Yeah, Haris. Shaheen had played for Pakistan.
Sir, somebody came to the work, right?
Yeah, okay.
So thank you.
You're being a little rude, so I don't want to say that. If you're being over smart, then you can go. I'm saying it on air. So let's. Okay, Sana. So would you mind telling me that Pakistan?
No. Excuse me. Yeah. I was building a case not against you, about Haris Rauf.
Okay.
That was a find of Lahore Qalandar.
Yeah, of course.
It was not find of under 19.
No, that was Shaheen Shah Afridi.
Okay. Yeah. We got that clear?
Yeah. It's very clear.
Just have a big smile. Have a big smile. Just say whatever happened. Sorry.
No, that's okay.
It's
just
okay?
Continue.
All right. So, दूसरी चीज ये है कि let's move forward here. You just give an answer to it.
Okay.
Just resign it and leave it, and then I decided to got up and just